Today I'm going to tell you top 5 tips for getting best performance in Windows 10. One. Turn off background apps. Go to Settings and search for Background Apps. Turning off all background apps keeps the processor working less all time because no task is performed in background and it uses less resources. 2. Disable Windows Update. Right-click on My Computer and go to Manage. Select Services and Applications. Select Services. Press W and see Windows Update. Go to Properties and disable as it is shown. Windows Updates keeps using your internet resources for no reason and lags your PC sometimes. Three. Disable Cortana. Search for Cortana settings and disable it from there. It uses a chunk of memory because it provides voice assistance. I suggest you to use simple searches. We do not use voice search mostly. 4. Disable Windows Defender. Search Windows Defender and go to its settings and disable it. Use a third-party light antivirus, like AVG Antivirus, because Windows Defender with latest updates provides a lot services to protect PC. And sometimes these services go high on CPU. 5. Always use better battery life mode, because it helps you to save battery power and have a smooth performance, and produces less heat.